Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, once again, make sure you subscribe if you've not done that yet. Like and share. Also, make your comments and also follow the Telegram. And also, you can subscribe to the membership, also the YouTube membership program. Like this, so you will get more instant updates. Now, let's see what markets will be giving us for the week on our Euro GBP. So, this is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP for the week. So, in order for us to be able to predict what markets will be doing, we need to see what market we need to go to the higher time frame, which is our trend. We need to know what the weekly time frame is doing. And as you can see on the trend on our weekly time frame, we are what's trending to the upside. So you can clearly see that this is a bullish move. Market is what's trending to the upside, giving us a series of higher high and higher low. So this is it. When you zoom it in, you can see this is the corner of its opening and closing bullish, right? This is week 2 of its opening and closing bullish right here, right? Then the market gave us week 3 of its opening and closing bullish, and then here comes the week 4 of markets opening and closing bullish. So for this week 5, we'll be expecting market to give us week 5. This week 5, we'll be expecting market to open and close bullish. So guys, this week will be a bullish move for us on our Euro GBP. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your Euro GBP, you should be going in for the buy. A continuous bullish move to the upside is what you are going to be expecting. Now, guys, take a look at this right here. You can see that the trend on our Euro on our weekly time frame is an uptrend move. So this is the high that market did give us. Right here comes the higher low. Right then, after the higher low, market was able to push up again from a new higher high. Then guess what? After the higher high, guess what market did next? Market was able to give us an higher low, which is the pullback. This higher low, there is a series of higher lower low and lower high. Eventually, market pushed up, right? And guess what market did? We had a rejection rate, pullback phase, which made market to push up, right? Once market was able to push up, this push up, once market was able to push up, guess what market did? Market came back to retest this zone. And as you can see, we are now currently at this zone. So we will now take a look at this to be our hand zone, which is support, right? Because we've gotten it to touch, which we will see as a demand zone, which is our support level. Guess what market will be doing next? Market will continue to push up. Market will continue to give us that bullish volatility. It's able to tap this high. Not only is it going to tap this high, even break above the high. So guys, this is going to be a bullish move for us on our EURGBP. EURGBP will continue that bullish move. It is able to tap this high right here and even possibly break above it. So guys, continuous bullish move to the upside is what we are going to be expecting on Euro. So whatever you don't be doing on your EURGBP, going for the buy, anticipate for a bullish move, anticipate for a buy. Now guys, now let's zoom it in our EURGBP right here. So market was able to drop right, which give us rejection at this zone right. Markets rejected from this, which made market to push up. Now markets eventually tap this zone right, which we've gotten a rejection at this zone. Now market is what's pushing up right. So market is now trending to the side. So we are clearly trending to the upside on our Euro. Now take a look at this right here. Market they push up right here, which is the first high, right? Then here comes the higher low. Then we had another higher high. So basically, market has been trending to the upside. You can see that this trend right here, a daily time frame trend, is trending to the upside. So this is to tell you that a continuous bullish move to the upside is what we are going to be expecting on our EURGBP. So what thing you can just expect is just a pullback right here, because market has just given us the high, right? You can see that this is the higher high. So you can expect a pullback, which is your higher low. After the pullback, which is higher low, then we should expect another push up to form a new higher high. So above all, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting. So once again, expect your pullback. After a pullback, then you can now anticipate buy that will push up to form a new high. So that is what we'll be expecting. Bullish move for the week. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any of this, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And also make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.